Welcome back to Balabas G. My people, no be small thing o. As e stand right now, they say that the Nigeria court don bring wetin dem dey call international disgrace again to the Nigeria as a whole. Everybody today is expecting to see wetin dem dey call Ogbunigwe, Kalashin and ngwa dị iche iche. Along the line, wetin we come see for Nnamdikanu bag o, they say na iPad, iPhone, earphone, everything na phone. As e start right now, they no find anything criminality or arms or AK-47, anything for inside man Nnamdikanu hand. Then along the line, they say make they go bring video come play. Even the CD where they carry come no gree play the video again. No, they say that the confusion wey enter inside court today no be small thing. But as e start right now, this national disgrace na too much thing to Nigeria government and then Tinubu. My people, as e start right now, they say that the Igbo military, Igbo military men, they stole Abuja court today with Ebube. As they enter there, maybe now come make the confusion call them inside court. From US, so now these people from there come, as we they talk right now, they from US, bam, they fall for inside Abuja today, come stone the court, gidigbam. Tinubu first, if we were Tinubu there now, they tell us say Igbo military men, they there, anything where they call them, my people, we don't read. Now we go play the videos one after the other. You know, more with the watch them they go, because the disgrace when Nigeria they give themselves for inside this matter, it don't too much. So stay tuned and watch the whole video of the explanation from the lawyers and from the even Igbo Vietnams will come today. No be small thing, no more. I watch the full videos before we go come back, continue. You don't read for inside this matter.
The people I'm with here are my brothers and sisters. We are all Biafrans of one mind. The lawyers are here, some of them. The others have discussed various locations where we are going to meet later. Tomorrow we are going to the DSS to meet with the Onyendu. Today, what happened, for those of you, and one Onyendu now here, Prince Fine Boy, I was in America, Dr. Sylvester here, and Dr. Chukwu Emeka of the Igbo, of the American military veterans of Igbo descent here. I be grateful for the solidarity they came to show their fellow Biafrans, their fellow Igbos, and to Onyendu and to the legal team and Onyendu. They flew all the way from America to show solidarity. We are very, very grateful, and this thing goes in I want to marry at the end of the day. So what happened in court today, as a way of recapping and informing those who didn't come to court, was very simple. Finally, the government is getting the so-called trial that it has always desired as of late. It didn't desire this trial for the past 10 years, but for the past 6-7 months, the government has been intent on having a trial. Well, the trial has commenced today, and we have seen, those of us in court, that the case rings very hollow. The prosecution witness was examined on direct examination by the prosecutor, and he made an application, meaning the prosecutor made an application before then for the witness to be masked or to be screened away from the bird's eye view of the general public. The only person that could behold him from our own side of the aisle was Nnamdikanu, the defendant, because the law required that. So he was testifying from behind the screen. And you know, when people testify behind the screen, you know what happens. So he has given his direct examination, and the matter was adjourned to 2nd May for continuation of trial. So what is going to happen on 2nd May is very specific and simple. We are going to subject that witness to cross-examination. We are going to ask him to explain certain things. So his own answers to the questions posed to him today will not be taken as true unless and until we have finished cross-examining him on 2nd May. So we are very hopeful that in the end our victory is assured. We shall prevail, and we shall be able to show through this trial they are having, or they started having today, that Nnamdikanu did not commit any offense known to law. Thank you. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Special counsel.
Believe I was in there, listening to how he conducted it.
Okay, so
The doubt is going to be
there were some claims by the PW1 about the radio station. You are from the diaspora. How do you react to that?
Well, it's quite unfortunate that we have not woken up to understand that you cannot just arrest people because they have equipment on them. When the interview was going on, the leader of IPOB was mentioning in that particular interview that he was just broadcasting, telling the world about what the British government is doing. And there's nothing wrong with him telling the world that we deserve our rights and we deserve what is in London over here. To be treated fairly, to have what they have, whatever they enjoy, we need to enjoy it in this country. We don't have to be fighting each other. I think that's what he was trying to communicate.
All right. Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. My name is Dr. Sylvester Anya, President of American Veterans of Igbo Descent.
All right.
Military.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Sorry, sir.
From PW1.
Are you comfortable? We're very comfortable, but first of all, we thank God for today. We thank God that the matter has eventually kicked off without rancor. You know, you needed to have been in court to observe the proceedings. All the parties cooperated, and PW1 testified. PW1 is Mr. AAA, as he was designated. He investigated the matter 10 years ago, and today he came and gave his evidence and tendered documents. The matter is very simple. The state has a case against our client, and we are defending him. And for the first time, the matter has been opened, and we have heard what the evidence is. On Friday, we are coming back to cross-examine him. But in the main, the matter has commenced on a good note, very sound note, very civilized trial. And we hope by the grace of God we'll continue on this note and get to the end.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Reason why we have to say something in addition to what the SAN has said. This gentleman here, these lawyers standing with me here, are members of the old guard. We have been there from the get-go, so we know the nitty-gritty of this case. Well, what I can add is we are finally here. The government is finally having the trial that it desires. Our position still remains unchanged despite the ongoing trial. That our client is innocent of the charges, that the case is driven by political considerations, and in the end, the innocence of our client will be established. So we take it from here to 2nd May, when we are going to subject the government witness who testified today. We are going to submit him to, or subject him to cross-examination, and then the truth shall begin to be revealed to everybody. Thank you very much.
All right.
We appreciate you always being around to cover this very political trial that has been ongoing for the past 10 years.
Where is he going to sit? Oh, sorry.
information you give them. What you know, that's a great big town. We've done it.
Ano puta.
Look at you. Emma.
Oh, there we look. Adem. Where is he gonna sit? Oh. I don't know, but I'm losing. Yeah, you can. Okay. I don't know, okay, there. Who drops this?
My people, una don hear am o as e take dey go. So the matter now, as e stand, they go come back on Friday, come talk more about am. Abeg, I no get anything wey I wan talk for this video. I wan make you drop your own comment because I know say something dey for your mind wey you wan write concerning this matter. Write am and share the video so that other people go dey get the information and know how e take dey happen. No forget to follow all our social media handles and dey share the video, give for the platforms wey you know. No forget say see there for Blabbergist as you dey watch the video, make sure say dey share so that other people go dey get the information and know how e take dey go.